didn't know, you about to know. The priest of the street is about to flow. I shine in the dark, so watch me glow. Very explosive, so watch me blow. Don't like my style, take it up with God. Your arms are too short to stand up with God. Priest of the street, if you didn't know. Jesus is the way, if you didn't know.
From the cradle to the cross, to the grave. Oh, we represent the Christ and the price He paid. From the cradle to the cross, to the grave. Oh, we represent the Christ and the price He paid. They don't really know us, they don't understand us, they don't even trust us. We all about the gospel from St. Louis to California to Texas. They don't really know us, they don't understand us, they don't even trust us. We all about the gospel from St. Louis to California to Texas.
I'm from the streets of St. Louis where the blocks is hot. Grew up on the north side, now I'm preaching.
To the millennium, you know what I'm saying?
Do this thing. Yeah.
Hey, check this out, it goes. What? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Middle East.
Check this out. This how it's gonna go, y'all.
One God, one baptism, one true faith. One God, one baptism, one true faith. One God, one baptism, one true faith. One God, one love. One God, one baptism, one true faith. One God, one baptism, one true faith. One God, one baptism, one true faith. One God, one love. Yeah, the Old Testament, the Holy Spirit is there. In Pacific orders about the Holy Scriptures we share. If we turn back the time, put the hands of Christ, who will lead you to the one baptism that's right. Acts 2:38, where Peter replied, be baptized in the name of Jesus Christ. If you want to understand the glory coming from God, you got to have a relationship that will open your eyes. See the growing knowledge, understand His will, you share. Open up your Bible, pray for the spirits of will. We in the last days, the Spirit pouring out in this more. As we get ready for the countdown to sell the store. Where Christ coming back, He's gonna put it in order. And take the sense of the enemy, burn and slaughter the Lord. When I'm down and out and feeling blue, it's coming from you. God, give me strength, I'm holding it down, put it for you. One God, one baptism, one true faith. One God, one baptism, that's what it be about, y'all. One God, one baptism, one true faith. One God, one love. One God, one baptism, one true faith. One God, one baptism, one true faith. One God, one baptism, one true faith.
I'm gonna give it straight from the scriptures this time.
I'm thanking God for the spirit that is living inside. When I hit the streets and ride, seeing people that's dying. All of those who go to the grave not knowing the Christ. Full of all superstition, discord that ain't right. Seeing churches around the world fight position, religion. Muslim, Catholic, not believing in prison. Even faith-believing Christians who will do it don't listen. If you wanna know your life, you should open your Bible. Read the scriptures, search the scriptures, you may start a revival. If you walking in the streets where you're recruiting disciples, Acts 2:38, be baptized.
Now check this out, y'all. Hold up. Now we getting ready to go to this next. I'm gonna flip the script just a little bit, y'all. And I'm gonna run it to something different. I'm gonna dedicate this to the sisters, man. Brothers, hope y'all feeling this. This little something I wanted to celebrate with some sisters on, you know what I'm saying? Hey. Yeah. So, hey. Black. See, this one goes out to my sisters. Check this out, y'all.
The world would be nothing without you. A glow is something about you. Black women stand up in the front, they got clout you. And others watch your mouth move. Doctors, lawyers, it's all true. They destroy you for you if they really are true. The black bone of the family, powerful, dynamically. Cocoa brown butterscotch. You're here to win. So sister, stand up. Haters watch your mouth. A sister, it's the thing to be. I scream and shout, hey. Yeah, I did this, sister. I did this song for sisters, y'all, just because I wanted to do a little anthem for them. You know what I'm saying? So hope y'all appreciate it. Hey. Strong. Hey. Black. Check it out, y'all. Black. In this white man world, you know it's hard to make change, so be patient. Black nation sisters rise, it's contagious with a new direction. Red devils, they wanna kill them, don't fall for the talk. You won't fall, you better listen, use your brain. See the Bible's time in the hour, get it all through the pain. Was raped and brutalized, the whole of the black man told me that. Yeah, what they hide, ghetto chicks. Politics, the ran and all of the yeah, black. Black, hey, sister, black, yeah, black, yeah, strong, hey, that's what that's about, y'all, black sisters. So I want to dedicate that to the sisters in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Got to do something for my sisters. Now check this out. We're going to do this last track, because I want to represent, because I live in Dallas, so, you know, I'm from St. Louis. But since I live in Dallas, I want to represent something from Dallas, okay? Is that cool? Yeah! Yeah! Hey! Yeah! Hey! One time for Dallas. Home of the skyscraper, microphone, city of haters, get off the airplane. Welcome to Dallas, nigga. Triple D and off you with it. It's we carry over your soul. Niggas that shit and get it. Welcome to the trap here. It's Arlington, Pleasant Grove, Holly Hill. Don't you know? Niggas don't be frontin', yo. If you want the skunk, nigga, niggas sisters up the road. Now I got the girl to have you. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Over here we got the Rudy's finger. Hold on, wait, man. Y'all know, wait a minute, hold on. Hey. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell you, let me tell y'all something. I'm like not only my warm, but I'm like one of them artists that I have to interact with the audience, man. So my vibe, you know, that's how I be feeling with the audience, man. So that's what I'm about. So when y'all, I'm trying to get y'all in and I'm trying to get y'all crunk and get y'all hype, man. But we gonna wait and see that next time, because I got something for y'all next time. But hey, I appreciate y'all for checking me out. Don't forget to check me out at Jigsaw. You can check me out at www.jigsaw.com. Catch me on Facebook at Jigsaw, Rapper Jigsaw, on Instagram, and Rapper Jigsaw as well. So appreciate y'all, man. Hey, don't forget, come out, check out the Emerging Artist Series every month. It's gonna be first Fridays. We're gonna be here. I'm gonna be in the building. All my artists, all my artist friends here, they're going to be in the building. We're going to make it happen for the DFW. That's what it's serious about, giving Dallas the DFW artists exposure. All right, appreciate y'all.
This Dooney, baby. The street priest. Y'all didn't know? We about to wake y'all up, man. Caramel. Sabrina. Can't pay the production. What's up with it?
They don't really know us. They don't understand us. They don't even trust us. We all about the gospel. From St. Louis to California to Texas. They don't really know us. They don't understand us. They don't even trust us. We all about the gospel. From St. Louis to California to Texas.
If you didn't know, you about to know. The priest of the street is about to flow. I shine in the dark, so watch me glow. Very explosive, so watch me blow. Don't like my style, take it up with God. Your arms are too short to stand up with God. Priest of the street, if you didn't know. Jesus is the way, if you didn't know.
From the cradle to the cross, to the grave. Oh, we represent Christ and the price He paid. From the cradle to the cross, to the grave.